taking this out, it's marinated for a half hour?
Yes, sir.
Ready to put into our machine, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now, one of the things, if you'll see here, I've got it marked tiramisu, okay? A lot of these flavors look a little bit alike. We have a marinating over here with the hazelnut, which is a little bit darker, so we don't make any mistakes with the flavors and stuff. We tag everything.
Yeah. So with our machine, make sure door's shut, make sure gate's closed, everything's locked. We already sanitized our machine, so we're going to pour our mixture in.
Get that out of the way. And again, we want to be able to get all the money into the machine. So we'll take that and scrape it down. Okay. Scrape it down and balance in the machine. Okay. I put that underneath here. During the batching process, I'll normally keep a something underneath there, a tub underneath there, just in case there's any overflows or stuff like that. Okay. Now, this particular machine is the first batch that we're doing today, and this is what we call in the business a hot machine. So it may take a little longer to batch the first batch because the machine hasn't been cold yet. By the time we get to the third batch, it's going to increase the product. Now the machine I have in my shop, my first batch is about 6 minutes and 20 seconds. My third batch is 4 minutes and 15 seconds. So that's how it increases as the temperature goes down. What you do is turn on the dasher, then 15 seconds, turn on the freezer, hit the timer, and now you go down, you sit down, you read the paper, put your feet up and have a cigar. No, that's not what you do. What you do is you're going to get yourself ready for what's coming out. We have our gelato pans, which are labeled up, and the gelato pans are in the refrigerator right now. Some people also freeze the spatula with the pan. I don't particularly do that. No special reason, just that I prefer to do it that way. Also, I never use a metal spatula on the machine because it'll braise the inside of the machine over here and it'll cause a problem with bacteria. Always, always, always use a rubber spatula when you're using this machine. This is a 5-liter pan, okay, for tiramisu. Since I'm basically in a wholesale business, I use a 5-liter pan with a dome lid because I want my customer to get a better value of what's going on, okay. A lot of people will just take this pan here and they'll fill it up to about this line, and then they'll put a flat lid on it and they'll charge you a lot of money. Now, I charge you a little bit more, but you're actually getting a full half gallon of product more in there. There's all different type of ways of doing things. And I found out from a very dear friend of mine, Matthew Stevens with the Dessert Professional magazine, there's different methods of doing things, but there's no wrong way of doing things. So if anybody watching this video says, oh no, I don't do it that way, he's wrong. Well, for us it works. For you, whatever you do, it'll work too. No wrong way of doing things.